Welcome to Trendster.
China's interest in investing approximately $60 billion to modernize Turkey's railway network signals a significant step in deepening Sino-Turkish cooperation and reshaping Eurasian trade dynamics. According to Burak Daglioglu, president of Invest in Turkey, the proposed upgrades would involve electrifying existing rail lines, constructing new domestic routes, building a bridge in Istanbul, and establishing a high-speed rail connection between Istanbul and Ankara. These developments aim to position Turkey as a key player in the China-Europe rail freight network, offering an alternative to the Northern Corridor, which currently passes through Russia. The project aligns closely with China's Belt and Road Initiative, BRI, which seeks to create seamless connectivity between Europe and Asia. Turkey, an early supporter of the BRI, formalized its participation through a 2015 Memorandum of Understanding to align the BRI with its Middle Corridor initiative. This synergy underscores the strategic importance of Turkey's location as a bridge between East and West. China's state-owned CRRC Zhuzhou electric locomotive is expected to play a significant role in the railway upgrades, given its existing operations in Turkey and contributions, such as the introduction of Istanbul's fastest metro train. While other contractors will be invited to bid on the project through an open tender, Daglioglu expressed optimism about China's competitive involvement, stating, "There is huge potential for railway investments." In addition to rail infrastructure, China has demonstrated interest in Turkey's technology sector, particularly in electric vehicles and energy projects. By mid-2024, Chinese investments in Turkey reached $6 billion, spanning 1,300 companies. Tourism is another growing area of collaboration, with 300,000 Chinese tourists visiting Turkey in 2024, an increase from 2023, but still below pre-pandemic levels. Turkey's ambitions to establish itself as a key rail hub are gaining urgency as the ongoing war in Ukraine prompts European freight shippers to explore alternatives to Russia for China-Europe rail transit. The Northern Corridor, which passes through Russia and Belarus, currently handles over 90% of China-Europe rail traffic. However, EU sanctions and retaliatory measures by Russia have disrupted this route, causing delays and increased scrutiny of goods. Despite Moscow's assurances of smooth transit, the Northern Corridor's capacity is insufficient to meet growing demand, highlighting the strategic importance of the Middle Corridor. This shorter route traverses Central Asia, the Caspian Sea, the Southern Caucasus and Turkey, offering a viable alternative for European and Chinese trade. Jayant Menon, a senior fellow at the ICS Yusof Ishak Institute, emphasized that the Middle Corridor could provide a faster and more reliable connection for the China Railway Express to reach Europe. However, he cautioned that Turkey's rail infrastructure remains a weak link, and disruptions along this route could compromise the broader network. Turkey's proposed rail upgrades could address these concerns, positioning the country as a central player in Eurasian trade. By leveraging Chinese investments, Turkey aims to modernize its infrastructure and capitalize on its strategic location. For China, the project represents an opportunity to further integrate its trade networks into Europe while reducing reliance on Russia amid geopolitical tensions. However, challenges such as the scale of investment, regional stability, and the efficient execution of infrastructure projects remain significant hurdles. This partnership also reflects the broader geopolitical implications of China and Turkey's growing ties. By aligning with China's BRI, Turkey strengthens its position as a critical node in global trade while reducing Europe's dependence on Russian transit routes. However, this development could also raise concerns for other regional players, including the EU and the United States, as they navigate the evolving dynamics of global trade and strategic alliances.